Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me introduce myself first. I am Ayesa Khatun, assistant teacher in English, Horimon Government High School, Chapai Nawabganj. Welcome to my online English class. This is my first class with the students of class 6. Dear students, I hope you are well and I am also well. I have decided to offer my class on English second paper. Today, I would like to discuss an important grammatical item, right form of verbs. Right form of verbs. Dear students, notice this title, especially this term right form, that means correct figure. From this title you will get an idea that you have to correct the verb form only. Okay, this is question number 6 in your question paper. You will get this question pattern in a passage. There will be 8 gaps to be solved. These gaps will be arranged alphabetically. Here, verbs will be available in brackets. You will also get instruction in brackets. Dear students, some important hints are for your better understanding. At the beginning, you must read the whole passage attentively and try to understand the basic time of the passage. In your answer sheet, you have to write the correct verb forms only. No need to write the whole passage in your answer sheet. Right? Dear students, now I have chosen a passage for you. Here is the passage. Now I am reading the whole passage for you. Books are men's best friends. Good books, number A, question number A, in the bracket, do in the negative any harm to man. You may, question number B, have a number of friends. You may not, question number C, in the bracket, get them when you, question number D, in the bracket, need them. They may not stand by you in danger. So, it is very useful, question number E, in the bracket, read, use infinitive to good books. They are always by your side. They are ready to, question number F, in the bracket, help you, and question number G, provide you with much pleasure and information. They, question number H, remain, in the bracket, friends throughout your life. This is your whole passage. I have chosen a passage for you to clear some main points. This passage is written in present tense, as the idea of this passage is about general fact. Actually, each sentence in this passage is described in present indefinite tense. From this passage, especially, you will be able to know 2 new items. One is about modal auxiliary verb and the another is about infinitive. About infinitive, you can see the word infinitive. I will clear it later. To solve this type of question, you should have clear idea about 3 points. Three main points you should remember, that the points are: number 1, tense; number 2, agreement between subject and verb; number 3, different types of sentence structure. Have you understood? I hope. Now let's solve the passage. Look at this sentence first. Question number A. Here you will get a verb and an instruction also in the bracket. Clear? From this instruction, we can easily guess what form we have to make. This sentence is a general statement. For this reason, it will be in the form of present indefinite tense. You know the structure and auxiliary verb also for this tense. Here we have an special instruction for negative sentence. Notice this instruction in the bracket. Before making sentence, we have to notice the agreement between subject and verb. The subject is in the plural form, then it will take do as auxiliary verb. You know the auxiliary verb for present indefinite tense, do and does. This subject is in the plural form, then it will take do as auxiliary verb. And for making negative sentence, you have to use the word not after do. Then put the base form of the main verb. Now we have got the right answer to this question. The answer is do not do. You will write the answer in your answer sheet like this. Question number 6A. Do not do. Am I clear? Then we will solve the next question. Question number B. Here you will get the new point, that is modal auxiliary verb. I think you know modal auxiliary verb. Now we will see how we can use modal auxiliary verb and main verb in a sentence. Remember this important point, that after modal auxiliary we must put the base form of the main verb. Then the answer will be may have. The answer will be may have. Then question number C. Here we get the use of modal auxiliary verb with negative form. So the verb will be in the present form, then the answer is may not get. The answer is may not get. Dear students, now look at the sentence type again. This is a complex sentence and also conditional. The first part of this sentence is in the present form. You may not get them. This is the first part of this sentence and it is in the present form. The next part of this sentence should be in the same tense. This is next part of this sentence and it must be in the same tense. Clear? So we should not change the form of the verb. Then we get the right answer to the question number D. Need. Okay. In question number E, we notice an instruction in the bracket that use infinitive to. Maybe this term is new to you. I will clear it. You know, a verb with to before it is called infinitive, and after infinitive to, the main verb must be in its basic form. Then the structure of the term is like this: to and main verb. You can say to plus verb. It is called infinitive. I hope you have understood the term infinitive. Okay. Then come to our point. After infinitive to, the main verb must be in its basic form. So we need not any change in the form of the verb read given in the passage. Then the answer is to read. This is your answer. In the same way, as we have discussed the previous answer, we easily get the solution of the question number F and G. Notice these two solutions. That is no change in the form of the verb. So the answer is help. And provide. Okay. Actually, here the two verbs have been used as infinitive with a single to. Clear? Now come to the last sentence. As the sentence is a general statement, so it must be in the present indefinite tense. That is, the verb in the bracket will remain unchanged. Then the answer will be remain. We have got all answers to the 8 questions. Dear students, I have given some information to you. Stay home and study, practice your passage regularly for your betterment. Okay, that's all for today. Wishing your best luck. I finish here. Thank you, everybody.